easiest ways to make money using AI tools. This is a beginner's guide. Now, what's great about all these methods is that they have very low startup costs, and the sky's really the limit when it comes to scaling. Because most of these AI tools, you just have to pay as you go. So if you don't have any money and you're looking to get started making money online, then this video is for you. Number one of the quickest ways to start making money with AI tools is by offering your services as a freelancer. So what kind of services can you offer? Well, you can offer copywriting services using ChatGPT or Copy.ai to write blogs, landing pages, ads, etc. Or you could even offer graphic design services using DALL-E, MidJourney, or even Canva's AI design tools. And if you're a little more tech savvy, you could even edit videos using Descript or Runway ML. The best part is that you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. Number two, you can also create content using AI tools and monetize it. So this could be through blogging or even YouTube, where you can use Jasper or Writesonic to help you write scripts. It could also be through social media, where you can use Lately.ai or Hootsuite Insights to auto-generate posts. And don't forget about good old affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products. In fact, why not promote some of these AI tools themselves? For example, the Jasper affiliate program. Number three, you could also leverage e-commerce and dropshipping. So there are two ways that I see this working with AI tools. Firstly, you could use something like Jungle Scout to help you find winning products using their AI-powered product research tools. Then you can use Copy.ai or ChatGPT to write product descriptions and even source products from suppliers like Alibaba. Secondly, you could even build an entire store using an AI-powered platform like Shopify Magic. Number four, you can sell AI-generated stock media. So this could be in the form of images or even music. So using something like MidJourney or Stable Diffusion to create images which you can then sell on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. And if you're into music, you could use AI VA or SoundRaw to generate music and soundtracks and then sell those on platforms like Audio Jungle. Number five, you can become an AI tutor or course creator. So this could be through platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, where you teach people how to use different AI tools. Or you could create your own courses and host them on platforms like Teachable and use ChatGPT to generate all the content. Number six, another way that you can make money using AI tools is by automating tasks for your clients. So this could be in the form of building chatbots using tools like ManyChat or Tidio. Or you could even automate their workflows using Zapier and all of its AI-powered integrations. And number seven, although it's not exactly using AI tools, but you could invest in AI stocks or crypto. Now, this could be through ETFs like BOTZ or companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft. But please do be careful when investing in AI crypto projects, as they can be extremely risky. So now that you know all the different ways that you can make money using AI tools, here's 3 tips to help you get started. Tip number 1, start with free AI tools. Yes, there are plenty of paid AI tools out there, but why not start with the free ones first? For example, ChatGPT free tier and Canva. Tip number 2, don't try to be an expert at everything. Instead, focus on one niche or one type of service that you want to offer. For example, you could help businesses with their social media content or help e-commerce stores with product descriptions. Tip number 3, always prioritize ethical use of AI. For example, don't copy and paste content without referencing the original sources, and always disclose when you're using AI to create content. And I bet you still have questions. So here are 2 of the most frequently asked questions that I get. Question number 1, do I need coding skills? And the answer is no. Most of these AI tools are no code and can be used by anybody. Question number 2, how long will it take me to start making money? And the answer to that is it depends. If you're going to be offering your services as a freelancer, then you could start earning in a matter of weeks. But if you're going to start a business, then it could take a little bit longer. So there you go. That's how you can make money using AI tools. Now, if you're looking for more free AI tool tutorials, check out my AI tool mastery playlist on my channel. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.